Hi, this is Dimitri, and today I'm going to show you how to post and make a new video on Zine. You see? Okay, this is not a rocket science. First thing you do here is press this button after you install the app, and then press the wrong side. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so pretty simple. All you have to do here is shoot the video there, make a little update. You can show your robot dog, like my dog over there, and when you're done you press this button. When you're done, you press this button here. You can add filters, you can change the time and all kinds of things. No need to have your own laptop. Yeah. Okay, all right, that was quite simple. When you're done, you just press this button. Press the button. There. It shows you the video that you made. You can show your robot dog, like my dog over there. And press next. You type in something there, and then you press post. But before you post, make sure that you can download your video onto your phone, so you have a copy. There we go. And then you can post it to your social media, and it's done. There, you see, the slowest part of the whole process is right there. You see, the upload. Mother Russia, do I need to go back to my country to get decent internet? Yeah. Нет, it's broken.